Before we do, Mr. Andrew was very keen just to the 5 things to remember, like the rules, so we all stay safe. Unfortunately, Andrew is down in Somerset today on a course, but before he went, he made a little film. This time.
What about taking year 3s first to give us a hand?
Get funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. And people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go wherever we want to, do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless, there's always something new. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Oh. Anytime or anywhere, just look over your shoulder. Guess who'll be standing there? Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down.
his car out there. It looks like he just...
We've got a problem. Now the problem is that the monkeys have now taken up residence in treetops. And frankly, it's for us to play in and not them. So, any ideas about how we're going to get the monkeys down? Ben, you're wise. Ben, use your brain. How are we going to lure down half a dozen
Bananas down.
He is brilliant. We have a plan. We've got a problem. We've got a solution. The solution is bananas. So we're going to try and get some bananas to lure down. Take them off to Newcastle. Dr. Blundell is going to open treetops by pulling the flag down, but could we count him down? Let's go from, this is Peacock, we do tens? Tens backwards. Okay, ready? 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great later on. I'm going to pass you to Mr. Fox because Dr. Blundell has to go back to a surgery to make sure all his plasters are sorted out. I think I'll leave him later on. Thank you very much. Mr. Fox, would you close things up?
unfortunately, I've got the honour of sending you back to your classrooms. And Mr. Clark has asked if